5 Best Light Switch. Here is the product number 5. Wireless Remote Control Switch. This mini AC 22W receiver board is an excellent product. Its size is mini. Seldom AC receiver board can be such small. Although it is small, however its performance is perfect than bigger common capacitors receiver board. Brand name, Yurkuang. Item type, switches. Switch type, remote control. Features, input AC 220V, output AC 220V. Here is the product number 4. EU wall switch, touch switch, sensor switch. Flame retardant, strengthen the protection of the power line short circuit. Available for humid operation, damp proof. Toughened glass, prevents the scratch from knives or something hard. Wireless RF433 remote control. Brand name, Fenry. Item type, switches. Features, intelligent remote control touch switch. Here is the product number 3. EU standard wall switch two-way control. Item specifics. Brand name, Livolo. Item type, switches. Current, 5A. Warranty, 1 year. Features, 2 ways. Switch type, touch on, off switch. Type, two-way touch switch. Self-consuming power, less than 0.1 milliwatts. Function, wall light two-way control. Here is the product number 2. Livolo 2-gang one-way wall touch switch. Item specifics. Brand name, Livolo. Features, 2-gang. Current, 5A. Switch type, touch on, off switch. Type, wall light touch switch. Panel material, tempered crystal glass panel. Max voltage, 250 volts. Size, 80 mm 80 mm 32 mm. Here is the product number 1. Livolo EU standard switch wall touch. Item specifics. Brand name, Livolo. Item type, switches. Features, 1-gang. Current, 5A. Switch type, touch on, off switch. Panel material, tempered crystal glass panel. Function, wall light switch touch screen control. Max voltage, 250 volts. Use for lighting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.